Ni mwendo wa usiku katika barabara ya Dennis Pratt jijini Nairobi. Klabu hili liko katika eneo la makazi. Tulipata fursa ya kujionea jinsi wanavyohangaika kila wanapotaka kulala. Familia hii ina watoto watatu ambao ni pacha, nyumba yao ikiwa karibu na eneo hili la burudani. Kwao ni Mungu saidia kukuche.
In the last 3 months since they introduced the live band, these guys plays music up to past 3 a.m.
Sometimes my husband is away. I have to take care of the 3 babies. And when the noise is too much, I have to call him so that he can call the Quiver management to reduce the noise. But they never respond.
Kwa upande mmoja, eneo hili la burudani liko mita chache kutoka ikulu ya rais. Upande mwingine ni makao makuu ya kamanda wa polisi eneo la Nairobi, na upande wa kulia ni makao makuu ya idara ya jeshi halmaarufu DOD.
Now we even do not understand who licensed this thing to be here. You see, so it's a whole problem here and we do not want it anymore.
It is past midnight as we are speaking, and you see the level of the noise. You cannot sleep. As much as you try to gather some sleep, it is not possible.
Tulitafuta maelezo kutoka kwa mmiliki wa eneo hili la burudani.
What I have always requested rules that we do is maybe we can, I have always asked her if we can meet maybe at the time that she says that noise level is a little bit high, so that we can say now reduce it to this level and stick to that level. But my efforts to reach her has always been fruitless.
I even called NEMA.
Yes.
We put up the 4.1 level of noise to tell us at what level we should play within her limits.
We have Mr. Peter Mbugwa is the owner, and there's also another director called Mr. Alex somebody. You understand? Now, you talk to them, they tell you, okay, fine, we are reducing